Busy weeknights require something quick and easy, and this meal is just that. This sticky honey garlic chicken is ready in under just 30 minutes. A tasty breaded chicken that is coated in a sticky honey garlic sauce with a handful of snap peas to freshen it up, served over rice. What's not to love? People are loving this tried and true recipe for its delicious simplicity, and I'm excited to show you how to make it today on the Stay at Home Chef. First thing to make in this recipe is the honey garlic sticky sauce. So in a bowl, add in a cup of chicken broth, 1/8 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of honey, that's where that sticky goodness comes from, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You can add more if you'd like, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a touch of tang. Mix these ingredients together and there you have a simple and delicious sauce. It works in more dishes than this one, and you can easily double it if you'd like. Set that aside, and the next thing we need to do is prepare the chicken. I'm using 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, but thighs also work great. Go ahead and trim off any undesirable spots and cube that into 1.5 to 2-inch pieces. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of flour with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of table salt. Whisk that together and then coat the chicken. Toss until that chicken is fully coated. And then we're gonna head over to the stove. And in a large skillet over medium heat, we're gonna add in 1/4 cup of olive oil and 4 tablespoons of salted butter. Once the butter and oil are hot, add the chicken and cook the chicken for about 4 to 6 minutes. And make sure you don't crowd the pan. After it's cooked for about 5 minutes, make sure to turn those over to brown them on the other side as well. Now that our chicken is browned on both sides, we're going to add the sauce straight to the pan with the chicken and let it simmer over low-medium heat for an additional 5 minutes to really let that sauce thicken. Now that the sauce has thickened and it's really sticking to that chicken, we're gonna add in 4 cups of snap peas. You could also use snow peas. Toss that to make sure they also get coated and cook that alongside the chicken for about 5 more minutes until they become a little bit more tender. Serve this up on a bed of rice and you are ready to eat. This is one of my family's favorite recipes, and hopefully it will become one of yours too. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.